What is up, guys? What is up, guys? What is up, guys? Yeah, that intro took me so long to make. I mean, I thought of this so ago, but forget it. I'll just start my recording, and yes, I am recording. So now, what I'm gonna do is today, as requested by Game Panda, today I'm going to be making a video on how to make a good profile picture. And you know, I said that profile picture drags so much audience to your channel. I mean, it doesn't drag audience to your channel. It makes the audience subscribe to your channel. Oopsie. It makes people subscribe your channel, and if it's not good, if it doesn't look good, then people will think that this guy gives boring stuff and boring things. So make it look good. So I have a normal thing here. You could choose templates for it and just search profile picture. And this is Canva. I'm not sponsored by this. And yes, what am I doing here? Forget it. Okay, so Canva is where I make thumbnails. Okay, and what I chose was my profile picture when what I was doing, because I didn't have a thing to make a logo on stuff. So what I did was just that. Okay, now what you need to do is, if you now decide what's your niche. Your niche is based on your logo. Now my niche is content helping, but I don't know what to make a logo on. So gaming, as your channel, Game Panda, your thing is gaming. So I prefer you making a thumbnail or a profile picture. If you haven't done a face reveal yet, you should. I really suggest you to. But then yes, you should do is, what you should do is just drag this text. Yes, this Canva has so much, but then if you want to buy Pro, you'll achieve some perks too. So if you open Pro, there are some stuff. Okay, there's, oh my gosh, there are, okay, look. If I choose no, there, why am I not getting anything Pro? Usually I get everything. Okay, look at this. If I choose this, it will say, wait, what? Oh, forget it. I thought it will ask me for Pro, but anyways, you could buy Pro if you want to unlock some more stuff. Anyways, what I did was, oh my gosh, where did I mess up? I lost my thing. I'll search here be brave, because that's the one I choose. Yes, this one, be brave. So what you could do is just right away stop it, and I could choose on the wait, what, why is this text so weird? The content ish. Alright, so what am I gonna do is, I'm going to be making this small. I am going to be making this long. Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, better. Now I'm going to be making this long. Okay, great. And I'm set. That's going to be a logo. Now you could do some changes in the text too if you want to. Then that's all up to you. You could just select this text. Go here, choose any font you want. I'll keep this font for now because I love this font. And then you could choose color. I would choose black. No, gray is way better. And then you could add effects too if you want to, but then I don't want to add many effects to this. Yeah, that's way better. That's good. Now this is my logo, basic logo. If you want, you could this is for beginners. Okay, this is for beginners. You could just put this logo, and if you want, you could add some background picture too if you want to, but then it's all up to you, because background pictures are pretty good, but they won't be able to see the background pictures because they're so small, tiny. So I prefer you not to put any background picture in it. And yes, next video will be by Terminal Goat, who asked me to make a video on editing. So I'll make it, because Terminal Goat, if you're watching this video right now, please let me know which editing software you use so I can make a video on that. Yeah, easy. Okay, so that's it. I mean, yeah, that's all we need to do. And if you want, you could even add a small caption to it. Like my last channel had a caption saying "Passion of Cuban," so I could add here. What is this? Help. No, what could I keep? Help content creators. Oh my gosh, this is so big. What is this? Okay, help content creators. What did I do? I did something. Okay, here. Yeah, I messed up with the spelling of content. Anyways, here I am, and yes, that's it. You don't need to do any of the other stuff. This is my caption. That's my thing, and boom, your logo is already ready. Yeah, already ready. And yeah, that's it. All you need to do is this, and your video is totally ready, your profile picture is totally ready. And if you wanted something other than this, you could let me know in the comment sections. Because and yes, one more thing, some websites like Wix, if you have seen its ad, they make you pay to download things. So I really do not prefer Wix. Rather than, I prefer the Scanva. You could just download it. It will let you it will make you a pro thingy for a second, and then it will make it deleted, because you could just cut it from there and boom, your thing is deleted. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I hope you really guys enjoyed the I took so long to make the intro. Please appreciate the video by liking it and subscribing. Thank you. Okay, so that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and peace. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video, where I'm going to be editing. Peace.